Yo guys, so welcome back to this platform, Top Gossip 24. We are here with a mind-blowing issue. And Ebusia, the Igbo King, right? Information reaching us from Gamanche Nitekuchuru the second. I swear actually say even though Ghanaians are expressing who said they don't want him to celebrate, and him the Gamanche Nitekuchuru, I can say he doesn't recognize him as a chief or as a king in Ghana or within his kingdom. He's planning to celebrate his Yam Festival, and I understand say he's doing one or two posters when idea, and the government have stopped him about doing that particular so that is information about Kwaya Omao. I think so the next one brother Kwekwana has picked a lot of words into that kind of Igbo king or per se Odi or Ghana. No, you see 25th of September. Now Ebusia Ghana for a claro pan channel. So see or a bema dia ombe celebrity. Now the next one I will show you ni say there's a mini protest or whatever you may call it in South Africa against Igbo for and Nigeria for. And also, trying to honoba me kasa ni nyina e de akyerɛw ebusia. Before I will do that, no, bomodi an say obe subscribe no share no comment sene be ya bibi to form say na yen so yetumi aye ho adwuma na ye de abraw ewo prama we so nti bomodi an say
we have already highlighted and cause for him to back down. The ayatin is as the flag was hoisted in the name of what? The Republic. That today you and I are living and living. So shall you and I must get it done. And it must be done. It must be done now. Tonight, we are picking up intelligence report suggesting that Chukwudi Jude, the self-styled king of the Igbos in Ghana, is secretly distributing flyers. The move signals that his outfit is bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, despite the widespread concerns we have already highlighted and cause for him to back down. The ayatin is opeso eden or ya say the Yam Festival no obe celebrate, even though yakase tia so unyai. Intelligence are epic. We've plotted a lot of intelligence even in his household. I don't want to speak much. Now, what my dream is they will celebrate the Yam Festival at all costs. When we say the Nipate, we never Ghana and Penifunu at the Eba. Tonight on the Frontline show, we put it plainly to this Nigerian self-styled creature. Let it be known that we now accept what? We now what? Accept the challenge. It has become increasingly clear to us that his very presence in Ghana was never what? Was never by accident. No. With a deliberate purpose to disrupt our what? Ghana's political process. And as the allegations suggest, to attempt nothing less than what? A takeover of this what? Country. Eba oba hano when medro ha say e accident bi na de be pia da bi e boapayo e botaye e susuye e na ye adwenbone a e ka onene dom ho say won mo ba abefa Ghana no na kwan bia on befa so a won benya Ghana na om de ha aye om nan suntia so as per one of their stupid book tells that what Ghana was revealed to them in some ancient
but in a nutshell, no, what he's saying is that they are picking intelligence. We are also getting some information that the government Nitekuchuru the second has warned again, has sent a signal again to the self-acclaimed Igbo king that he cannot hold himself as a chief, a king, or whatsoever he want to hold himself. So therefore, he cannot celebrate that Yam Festival on the soil of Accra, Ghana, to be proper. So whatever information our brother Kwekwanan is speaking is the right info, and that is also what we are also picking up. And so the Gamanche and his people are putting a strong army together. Hear me? the Ghanaians and his people, they are putting a strong army together to ensure that 25th, you know, so a lot of people are preparing. It doesn't matter. Let's go and listen to our brother.
Animals. You cannot describe them, whichever species within the kingdom of the animals era they come from. I don't know. The Ghana was revealed to them. The members of the catch say, "One maha accident to one de boa payobi no de buy." But you know what? We cannot forgive where we come from. Our leadership in this country, we cannot forgive our leaders. Ghanaians, listen to me one more time. We cannot forgive our leaders right from the Fourth Republic until now. But something is in the making at these leaders. Wait a minute. Helicopter crash near Moonsem. You'll be wiped off on the surface of this very planet called Ghana.
He's very pissed. Very pissed
of this nation, Libya.
Very
tonight
pissed.
Here, look, on guys, the front line.
Honestly speaking, you know, Intel need
tonight on the front line show,
gossip,
right?
But it is true, say that's what he's planning, but he will fail. He will fail. Yes, of course, he will fail, right? Yeah.
Both home and abroad, across the world, we issue a final caution and a warning to the self-styled crook Chukwudi the Jude and his gang of accomplices back in Nigeria. If they dare step out, if they dare step out to stage their so-called New Year Yam Festival in Ghana, then let us see what happens. The Yaya Kainane said, "Woman member enough, woman eshwa mienu." Okay, so me member, and woman shwa. Say the Akufo-Addo kind. Ye na mienu. Woman shwa. E wo tedua etio mo nemu a. Yes, so mumra bonten no mo Yam Festival na. Me ehwe DBC. Dia yesi me nka nkire mo ano. Ye goso kasaba. We are warning ahead of this impending festival. If indeed he wants to try the patience of Ghanaians, we assure him he will be the first casualty.
Anyway, I mean, like I said, the government has also sent his signal and a warning to him to stay away. So, yeah, bra Kofi and so a candidate
left for his family to give him a decent burial. We want to sound this terrible warning to him and his cohorts back in Nigeria who are bent on causing unwarranted disturbances for Ghanaians to immediately back off, right? And leave Ghana quickly. We will not dance around this warning if Igbos of Nigeria think and can figure this out. May I say this to you? The Ayaka is them. So when we are member enough, no, we see 25th of September, one be celebrating the New Year Yam Festival. Yes, they should go ahead. They should go and celebrate it. They say, yeah, the bear no, you be a kakra no. Yeah. On one kasa will be wasted. The soil, this soil called Ghana. Na ni moja begu asasi we so. Ni area ni body susu de insang, ni family ni insang kind of body. Let any Nigerian man do your worst in your corridors. That's what I said to you. And that's the communication coming from the high powered. So if Chukwudi bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, we say go ahead. You are not doing it in Nigeria, you are doing it here. So we've given you the passage. Come and celebrate it. All over the regional capitals. You dare celebrate it will slight you out. And how it's going to be done, don't joke. The snipers, many snipers have gathered. They are all coming down.
Igbo king for run for your life, Oga. Ghana for near Odi opa bediagro. Betitu nam edi ayeyi. Easy.
But we take care of this country, not national security. But we have a statement for national security that in view of the above, we are equally requesting the national security of the state to quickly restrain this goddamn animal.
Oh
Restrain him from this gross insolence and impudence act. This creature must be made to back off before it becomes too little too late for him and his what? Crooks of Igbos. The Abetia catch national security for one no. Say, Mushe na mube prevent papa no, mube restraining no. Mana den ne young festival no. Obe abort no. Now how many years has he been here? In all those times, we've seen a lot of videos. This guy is holding Yam Festival, but we say no. An end to your Yam Festival is nigh. Cut it off, including this year's one. So, if you're a man enough, a Nigerian Igbo man, who in your belief you fought Biafran war and you are so crafty enough, you've brought so many ammunitions, whatever it is, we say go ahead, no problem. We are only asking you go ahead with that celebration on the 25th. Of what? Of September. Go ahead. Yeah. A lot of snipers are ready. They are already in town. You are surrounded, but you don't know. Including those useless, good for nothing Nigerian boys back home and here who are making noise. Continue. Okay? Continue. We are ready. If for nothing at all, I would say to you that you don't have to try the patience of Ghana. How many years you've stayed here in Ghana? I'm not quite sure that this bubbling inertia is beginning to sound to you like it's a friendly one. No, absolutely unfriendly and untenable. But you are going far to provoke the animal in Ghanaians. Folks, make a short break. Maybe I'll speak to my evangelist.
All right, Ebusia. So quickly, I believe strongly say you guys listen to everything for our brother Kwekuanan. And like I told you, there's another information we are picking from the Ghanaians Palace. Ni teko through the second. Already ni teko through ama akwa we warning say emane en kanse oye gang oye king e wakra ana say mane kanse oye Igbo king. For him as a Gan chief, ana say the king of Accra, he will not recognize him and he doesn't know him. And for that matter, he shouldn't try anything like that. So I want you guys also to know. And yes, say but straight from the Ghanaians Palace, this is also something that we are picking up. Say the people are getting ready. And so this Igbo king must be careful. We are not going to sit up and allow him do all the things he said he want to do. Already nebusa yensa ka video bi a say South Africans kwa no omo pamo omo biom omo stage another protest because of what Nigerians are doing. Now I have a simple question I will always ask. Why is it that anywhere a Nigerian man will go, for that matter an Igbo people or Igbo, wherever they will go, they have this kind of sense of direction, say they have to step down and take everything that is in their possession. I'm sorry, you guys cannot do that in Ghana. Ghanaians are peaceful. We love people, but don't try our patience. Don't try it. It's not the best to try it because sometimes a fatwa, even the government cannot even do anything about it. And John Dramani Mahama, let me just send this word again to you, John Mahama. Don't disappoint the people who killed and vote for you. Your people are saying, say, we no mu ya no for mo abetana Ghana no niam mo ye no kidnap no edoso. E wo mo se bebre wo hono ma wachi omo prison. According to source no, bebre egusawon sa na Nigeria ni bi kan o si bebre egusawon nti bebre e wo no ma ya chi omo wo insawan ma omo di omo mre e wo hono. But we can continue to keep uploading insawan. And I say to me continue, sir. At a point in time, we have to stop this. And so John Dramani Mahama, if somebody is listening to him, or Niteko through the second, or the Nungwa Manche, who is the traditional head of all the Greater Accra Regional House of Chief, please, this message is also going to you. Ni tache, ni lai afotiagbu. I'm calling your name to this because you understand some of these things. You guys are the people we are counting on to be able to stop all this thing that is going on. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Ebusia, see her, but Bomodian say you keep subscribing and keep comment. Your comments are very important. I have a couple of Igbo people coming to comment. Skin pain. Skin pain. That's what I can tell you. Ebusia, that's ene. Yebeshia pia ye call.
Go. Whether you like it or not, you are going to go. Nigerians, will you please go to Nigeria? Zimbabweans, will you please go to Zimbabwe? Maputo must go to Maputoans. We are hurtful in our South Africa. Our South Africa is rotting because of Nigerians giving our children drugs. We are sick and tired.